The phone getting fucking I don't feel like unless you doing this job. Watching out for the mess. I'm on shit. We got cats looking full apart. Oh no, we gonna fight. We tight. So bright. They put together tight. I'm not gonna charge you for this. I ain't gonna charge you for this 45. I'm gonna give it to you. Alright. So apart through the store, like a stick inside a mic, just needing the spark. Got the Vitamin 3 can whoop your bang. No need for competition. Your shit ain't hanging. You can check your horses and get it all replaced by my 20-year mechanic with the gold shoelace. See that hook will be tight by the end of the night. You be saying, here he come. By the sound of sight. Give me room, give me space, cause I'm born again. You be saying it's a lie. Will you be my friend? We see how she's going on the up and up. I don't hang with Looney Tunes like that. She's up. When you cussing me out, then I'm bringing the heat. Being alone is a report of how I live so long. But Henry, Terry, Lewis, Prism made it wrong, and I'm tight. We tight, shine, so bright. Things together tight like some screw on the pipe.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Well, you don't want to get me started on that. What are you talking about?
We ain't tight no more like we did last.
I'm disappointed. Let's get it sorted. I'm cats from big time rap, man. Got more game than motherfucking Einstein. Got more songs than that was in this payday. Like, what you doing, man?
That's Top Dog. What's his name? What's his name? Top Dog?
Top Cat. Top Dog.
Don't call him Top Dog.
Top Cat. Ain't on the Snoop Dogg.
Just so Kim.
What you doing, man? Come on,
stop, man.
Put me up. Man, I gotta make a video already.
You said you was the hottest. Why you got your hand out like that? You said you was the hottest.
Man.
You said you was the hottest writer.
Don't disrespect it, nah. You just, you know what I'm saying.
Hey,
so you want to mess with me, right? You want to mess with me without passing me the weed. Well, I can hit that one.
You ain't wavy, boy. You ain't wavy, boy.
Hold on, man.
You a shady boy. I heard, man. You tried to play me, boy. Kept on coming at Dre Day, boy.
Yes, sir.
No. No. He reading the Bible. He at home churching. Pray to God. Come on, man. You gotta give us a victory. A victory. You gotta. Oh, come on. You see, you tripping. Tripping. All right.
Top Cat, yeah.
You gotta spit. We just came at you. You gotta do it.
Beginning and out of lines, running from the cops, shooting back and forth. Should've heard the pops from car to car, from bar to bar, from near and wide, too short and far. Jumping roof to roof, running tree to tree, running alley through alley, running past me to house, playing cat and mouse, in and out your bed, sexing with your spouse. Here we go again, I done 3 in the pen, I'm out on parole. It's where I've been, see that shit ain't fake. See I plan to escape across the fence from Lino's Lakes.
He said, I had to escape across the fence from Lino's Lakes. You nasty. Do your dance, man.
You have been back here all this time. Oh, man, maybe I wanted to see you.